Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option how to turn on and how to turn off the option to read deleted characters for the read on screen input keyboard input allowed in Samsung Galaxy S24 plus phone. So where to look for this option? First, settings. Then in settings we're looking for accessibility options menu, then vision enhancements, and on this list we're looking for the Speak Keyboard Input Aloud option. And here, first of all, we need to enable this function, of course. And here we have read deleted characters allowed option. It's a simple switch on or off, so we can turn it on or off by simply tapping it once. And that's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.